Drone workshop organized by Space EFIC team in Kolkata for the children of age group 7 to 18 years. It was a 2-day workshop, each day with 4 hours. Here the kids can do the programming. At the end of the session, they can have the hands-on experience to fly the drone. You can have a look of the brochure of Space EFIC team. They conduct the course of 2 semesters for robotics and AI. Course materials that they provided: concept of the 3 angles for aviation movement, a brief history of aviation movement, the activity worksheets that they have given to the kids in the workshop, the programming the kids have done in the workshop.